Who's ready to do some shopping? So, one of the most common ways that we use unit rates is whenever we're out shopping and we're trying to figure out which is the better deal. Okay, everybody wants to find that best deal because nobody wants to spend more money than they have to. So I'm going to show you a good way to use our unit rates to help us do just that. Okay, here we have peanut butter. You can see the Jif peanut butter costs $2.52 and we will get a 16-ounce jar. We're comparing that to our Skippy peanut butter, which costs $5.44. However, we're getting more. It's a 40-ounce jar. So these sorts of situations become tricky because we have two different size jars and therefore the price is very different as well. So if we are going to compare to see which is the better deal, we are going to use the unit rate. So we're going to figure out how much it costs per ounce of peanut butter. Okay, we're not going to be picky about the brand or anything like that. We're just assuming that we want the best deal, the cheapest price for 1 ounce of peanut butter. Okay, so follow along with me again. If you haven't gotten the paper out of the C3 file, pause the video and go grab that so you can follow along. You're also going to want a calculator. All right, so here we go. Let's start with the Jif. So whenever we do this, we're going to make equivalent ratios again. Okay, so I have $2.52 for 16 ounces. This always works easiest if you put the money on top and then your ounces or whatever your other unit is on the bottom. Okay, and the goal here is to get a unit rate. So we want to simplify this down to see how much it's going to cost for 1 ounce of peanut butter. To go from 16 ounces to 1 ounce, I'm going to divide by 16. So that means I have to take $2.52 divided by 16 also. So go ahead and do that on your calculator. Okay, and it's going to show up with 0.1575. Okay, and we're talking about money here. So you always want to round it to the nearest cent or the nearest hundredth. So the 7 is going to tell the 5 to go up. So we're going to say that this would cost 16 cents for 1 ounce of peanut butter. All right, now let's take a look at Skippy and see what Skippy's going to be. Okay, again, we want to do money on top, so $5.44 for 40 ounces of peanut butter this time. So we would need to simplify that down to figure out how much it's going to cost for 1 ounce. Okay, 40 divided by 40 is going to get me down to 1 ounce, so I have to take $5.44 and divide it by 40, and you'll get 0.136. So again, round it to the nearest cent. The 6 is going to tell that 3 to go up to 14 cents per ounce. So, which is going to be the better buy on our peanut butter? Well, we're looking for the least amount of money per ounce. So that means Skippy will be the better deal. Okay, I want you guys to pause the video and you are going to figure out which is the better deal here for part A and for part B. Please make sure that you're showing your work just like we did for the peanut butter, and then you want to write a sentence to tell what your final answer is. All right, pause the video, go ahead.